my channel. It's me, Sai here. Today we are going to make barbecue pork ribs Thai style, and here I got these huge giant ribs here, about nearly 3 kilo. Thai barbecue recipe, they have so many style of how to cook. You can marinate it overnight, or the one I'm gonna do it today is you can eat it today, the one that do quick, which means I have to boil the pork for like an hour. So we'll see that how it turned out. First thing first, let's have a look at the ingredient. Now that you know all the ingredients, so first step is to boil the pork. So let's boil the pork. We got our stove over here, and I'm gonna add more charcoal. Need to be stewing it for like hours. Do that. All right. Now let's add our water. And then we're gonna seasoning water with like soy sauce. All the measurement is under the description. Salt. Just gonna put it like this. This is the biggest pot I can find. And then leave the lid open, like don't close it, leave it open. So when they have like a bubble and all the foam coming out, you can scoop that and put it away. It's a shame that I couldn't get a pot that's big enough to fit the rib, so it won't bend. But hopefully we can fix that later. But now I have boiled our rib for like 1 hour. I think I have to boil more because I have to turn each side. I'm thinking I'm gonna boil it more for about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. But now let's prep out marinating. Making Thai marinating, the thing you cannot miss is some glue. But today we have especially new friends. This one is coriander seed, and we got coriander root, Thai garlic, and white pepper. The measurement and everything is under the description. Add the coriander seed and white pepper and smash them. I moved the ankle a little bit because over there just the table a little bit weak. You want me to wear a hat? Got a hat over here. Now I look like farmer girl. Now the white pepper and the coriander seed is nice crushed. I'm gonna add the garlic and the coriander root. And smash them until the nice thick paste. Here we got our paste ready to marinate, and let's have a look at the sauce. Our herb, and this is the sugar, a little bit of the oyster sauce, 1, 2, 3, and then soy sauce, like soy sauce. Soy sauce in Thailand we have 2 soy sauce, the one with white lid and the one with the green lid. In this recipe we're using the green lid soy sauce. If you come to Thailand, you're gonna know that they're using 2 types of soy sauce. This one is like for marinating. 1 tablespoon. And then sesame oil. 1.5. Grab the wrong bottle. It looks familiar, like it look the same. This is like light soy sauce, and this one is dark soy sauce from the same brand. Anyway, here I'll show you which one you want to get. This one is 1 teaspoon. Here, you want to get this dark texture. This one. And we had add our sugar. And this is our milk. Add the milk. The black thing is like charcoal. The charcoal ashes flowing in, but that's alright. Eatable. Eatable. Stir them. Mix them. And a little bit of food coloring. You can add the turmeric if you want. A little bit for the color. Here you got your marinade, and now let's put the pork out. Alright, let's get our pork out from the pot. Let's get ready. Nice and hot. By the way, the broth, the water that come out from the pork, I'm not gonna throw it away. We can make some soup, like ต้มกระดูกหมู or ต้มหมู or ต้ม chicken. Any soup that you can make, you can actually, that's very clear broth. So now we're gonna marinate it. It's nice and hot. I think you can pull this out, but Thai people don't like to put it out. For me, this is where the flavor is. Like, is the like fat, is the a little gelatin when you're chewing it. I love this one, so I don't pull that out. Don't come at me like, Sai, you need to pull that out. I know, but I love this part. If you prefer you to put it out before you boil them. Now we're gonna marinating it. Oh, before we're doing that, let me put the pot down before it's overcooked than that, and just put it on the floor. And close the lid. Okay. Now we're done. Let me wash my hand. Okay. The pork is very hot actually. Should get some of that brush. Turn around. This is the quickest way to make the rib, I think. If you have a proper rib, how long does it take you to cook the proper rib, like in American style, where you have a very nice grilled, close the lid, and they have checked the temperature. That one. Oh, that hot, 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 hot. Gonna be a little bit noise in the background because we're renovating the house. If you want to see that video, don't forget to subscribe and like my channels until you see the video for the next one. I think this is gonna be the last renovation. I don't think I'm gonna do anything more, and all I want is to do like some garden in behind the house. Okay, I'm gonna let it cool a little bit, but just marinate it maybe 6 hours if you want, but it's nearly lunchtime, and I'm gonna marinate it for 1.5 hours, and then I will be grilling it, so we'll see you then. Alright, period or not, here is come. Our rib is marinating for 1 hour. I would love to marinate it overnight. It would be amazing, but we have no time. This is the quickest recipe, so let's get it done. Oh, wow. Woo. And I have a bucket of water over here to wash my hand. It would be nice to get the brush, you know, like put some honey on top, like a little bit of honey, and just like use the brush to like all over it. Oh, it's yum. It's gonna be yummy. I'm gonna grill it for about 15 to 20 minutes, just see how it's going. But just want to tell you guys, this smells amazing. Smells amazing. Smelled like, can't wait to taste this. The rib is cooked. All you need to do is just grill to get that nice charcoal smell and let the marinating like dry and absorb into the meat. Can't wait to eat. I'm gonna grill this bit a little bit, like need to dry a little bit. Gently. And here you got your rib barbecue Thai styles, looking amazing. I would like to try a little bit first. So let's try the fat part. Is like look delicious. So let me try. The rib is not as pull apart as I want it to be, but still looking amazing. Look at that. Just look at this bit. This is soft bone bit. Just look at that meat. The texture itself, the aroma, the smell is very good. Just could use more like soy sauce. I don't like it too sweet. The sweet level is perfect. The aroma is great. The smell of the charcoal is amazing, but need more salt. Like 10 times I need more salt. Overall, I give this one 8 out of 10 because this is a big ribs. It's gonna be feeding my whole auntie family. So we're gonna go cut this open. I just make some French fries for Adam, and that is it. My barbecue ribs. If you try this recipe, just add more salt. Rib number 1, go to the auntie house. ซี่โครงหมูย่างมาเสิร์ฟจ้า House number 2, second auntie sleeping. Oh, my hat. House number 3, another auntie right here. And guys, that is it for today's video, the grilled barbecue pork rib Thai style. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell button. All the ingredient and the recipe is under the description. Until next time, see you guys. Bye. Doggy doggy. Hi Jody. 10 out of 10? You like it?
No.
No.
She loves it. She's just making sure no other dog comes.
Yeah, she just look at so another dog won't come.